Om Mahavakyopadeshakaya Namaha.
Mahavakya Upadeshaka. Upadeshaka means revealer, one who reveals. What? Mahavakya. Maha, great. Vakya, sentence or statement. One who reveals the great sentence. What is great sentence? Great sentence means not ordinary sentence, Swamiji. Not adu, nari. Sentence. Adu means goat. Nari means fox. In Tamil. Adu, nari sentence. That is not. Great sentence means a sentence that reveals your identity. It's called Mahavakya. Identity revealing sentence. Whose identity? An identity with what? So your identity with that divine. Tat tvam asi. That's the Mahavakya. You are that. You are not this, what you are thinking. You are not what you are thinking. You are that. One who reveals to us that. So, Jiva, Brahma, Aikya, Vakya. Jiva, Brahma, Aikya, Vakya is called Mahavakya. It's called Vedanta Vakya. Jiva, perceiver-I, feeler-I, thinker-I is called Jiva. Brahma, the pure consciousness, Chinmaya. You, the perceiver-I, feeler-I, thinker-I, is none other than that Chinmaya. One who reveals that. He is called Mahavakya Upadeshaka. He gives that Upadesh. And Gurudev was very clear when he told, even though you are here, he told us, they are in me. I am not in them. Because I am conscious of them, so they are in me. But I am not caught up in them. I play in them, but I am not caught up in them. I am not affected by them. So they are in me. I am not in them. So they in me. I not in them. Mahavakya. So people generally ask, Swamiji, you have been teaching for how many years? 27 years. What a waste. They told me. What a waste, Swamiji. What is the use of Vedanta? What use? Do you think any use? So when such questions come, what is the use of Vedanta? To inspire people. We say Vedanta, it makes you, if you're a businessman, you'll be the greatest businessman. If you're a doctor, you'll be the greatest doctor. If you're a lawyer, you'll be the greatest liar. And lawyer. If you're an engineer, greatest engineer. Whatever you are, you'll be the best. You'll be Samrat. Samrat means? Huh? What is Samrat? Huh? Emperor. That's emperor. But people say, Swamiji, this world, Swamiji, you don't know the world. It's a rat race. Everywhere is a rat race. And you have to run. Morning, what time? 5 you have to wake up. And by 5:30, 6, if you leave the house, you can break. If not, caught up in the traffic. Rat race, Swamiji, rat race. And in the world of rat race, even if you win, you are rat. Okay, after winning, you become fat rat. Fat rat or some rat. Not some rat. Some rat. That's how they introduced me. So American introducing our Indian. Swamiji, he is some rat. And I look at him, he looks like some rat. What a tragedy. So to inspire, we may say you'll be, because once you start studying Vedanta, your mind and intellect becomes quiet, alert, vigilant. That's the glory of this science. Whenever your mind becomes quiet, alert, vigilant, that is the achieving instrument. You become the achiever. You achieve anything because you can see better than anybody else because your mind is quiet, alert, vigilant. So outside success is a byproduct of Vedanta. Byproduct. It will come automatically. So you shall be successful outside if you are studying Vedanta. But that is not what the teacher wants. He doesn't reveal you'll be a successful businessman, successful this. That is also there, no doubt, a byproduct. He reveals to you, you are that infinite. You're not this finite creature. You are that divine infinitude. Bhuma. That Upadesha, he is Maha Vakya Upadeshaka, knowing which nothing remains to be known, gaining which nothing remains to be gained. That is the glory of that. You experience bliss, beatitude, Nijananda. That's the ultimate. So he reveals that. One who reveals your own nature through the Mahavakyas. The Mahavakyas are Prajnanam Brahma, consciousness is Brahman. Tattvamasi, that you are. I am Atma. I am means this. This Atma, this I, Atma means I. This I, what you feel, that I am in you is that. Anything you add to I am is all your imaginations. I am parent. I am spouse. I am professional. That is, you add your misunderstanding. But I am, the I, what you feel. I am Atma. This I am, whatever you're feeling, is that Brahman. I am Atma Brahma. Final, Aham Brahmasmi. When you realize that, then you think, they are in me. I am not in them. That awakening comes. So, Mahavakyopadeshakaya Namaha. Om Mahavakyopadeshakaya Namaha.